In Python, there are several built-in functions that work with iterable objects. An iterable is any object that can be looped through, such as litters, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we have a list of temperature. Now, imagine we want to convert every temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We can create a function for that. This function takes a Celsius value and returns its Fahrenheit equivalent. Instead of using a loop, we can use Python built-in map function like this. And let's print it. And let's run. And the output. The map function applies the given function to every item in the iterable and returns the transformed values. Let's make the output a little more informative. Suppose we want to keep both the original temperature and the converted value, like this. Now, apply it with map. Let's print and let's run it and the output. Okay. Notice that the result is now a list of tuples contain both values. The map function can also work with multiple iterables. Suppose we have two lists like this. We want to calculate the final price after applying each discount. Okay. And let's print. And let's run and output. Python takes the first item from each list, applies the function, then moves to the next pair, and so on. You can even use more than two iterables, like this. And let's print and let's run and output. The key rule is simple. If your function accepts one parameter, provide one iterable. If your function accepts two parameters, provide two iterables. If your function accepts three parameters, provide three iterables. The map function is a powerful tool for transforming data efficiently and can often make your code cleaner and easier to read than traditional loops. Subscribe for more Python tips.